Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wells Fargo to redeem rewards points, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo online account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu located at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Rewards or Rewards Points. Click on this option to access your rewards information. If you have multiple accounts, select the account associated with the rewards points you want to redeem. Review the available rewards options to see what you can redeem your points for. If you want to redeem for cash back, look for the cashback section. For travel rewards, navigate to the travel section to explore your choices. Select the type of reward you wish to redeem and follow any additional prompts. If you choose a gift card or merchandise, make sure to check the points required for each option. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice and proceed to checkout. Enter any necessary details, such as delivery information for physical items. Review all information to ensure accuracy before finalizing your redemption. Click on the Redeem button to complete the process. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation of your redemption request. You can check the status of your redemption by returning to the rewards section at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.